As far as the first part of your question is concerned, this issue was raised with me by many of my constituents and many of my party men from Bihar. They rang me up. And they said that, look, this is what is happening. And now his father has, perforce, had to lodge an FIR in Patna because the Mumbai police was not doing it. So, we believe, in fact, the people of Bihar want that this case should be investigated professionally, and that is why it should be handed over to the CBI. So they requested me to speak to the Home Minister and request him to, take over the case. But the law is that the case is taken over by the CBI only after normally, this is a normal procedure, that after the state government refers it. The CBI can take it over suo moto as well. But generally, it is after the state refers it. So I spoke to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, saying that, look, this is what the people of my state want. But he was not willing to hand it over. Yes. Now, as far as the first part...
What did he say?
No, he said that, you see, this will be like showing a lack of confidence in Mumbai police. So I said that there is reason for that, why the people have lost confidence in Mumbai police. And that reason is that for 40-45 days, the Mumbai police did not come up with anything, did not find anything. That's the reason. And that's why, his father had to willingly go and lodge an FIR in Patna. And his father found out thing is that even after 40-45 days, there has been no FIR filed by Mumbai. There was no FIR filed by Mumbai police. So the only FIR which exists, and therefore the only valid investigation which is ongoing, is that of the Bihar police. Without an FIR, I don't know what the Mumbai police was investigating. They have not even lodged an FIR. Number one. Number two, there is also a question that did they do an inquest in cases of suspicious death as per CRPC, section 174, I think. An inquest is essential, an inquest either by the sub-divisional magistrate or district magistrate. Was there an inquest? I mean, we are not aware of that. So what did they do for 40-45 days? They were just sitting on it? That is reprehensible. And I don't think that there can be any question of any defense of Mumbai police. In fact, I also spoke to the Commissioner of Police of Mumbai. And I said, what's this? So he said, it was something about psychological. But I said that, look, 15 crores were reportedly, from what has come out, 15 crores were diverted from his account.
We have unraveled those bank documents on Republic TV.
So you are not even aware of that. His father found out. Imagine a 74-year-old person. His father found out. Now, Mr. Uddhav Tarak told me that if anybody brings me evidence, then I will put that fellow the accused behind bars. But the question is, who will bring evidence? It's the job of the investigating agency. No? A common man cannot, go around investigating and collecting evidence. It's not. That's why you have these investigating agencies, and your investigating agencies fail to do so. So, but nonetheless, he didn't want to hand it over to the CBI. Yes.
So, as a matter of fact, there are a lot of suspicion in this case. Do you think that the body can hang diagonal if a person has to commit suicide, and it has to be vertical? And secondly, the Mumbai police failed to take any finger images on the doorknob, the fingerprints, forensic evidences. Everything has been botched up.
You see, there's no question of any body hanging diagonally, right? So that is ridiculous. It's against the law of physics. And the investigation has not been professional from whatever has come out in television. I have not been able to see the papers. And today I saw the interview of DG Bihar, who says that the Mumbai police is also not, cooperating with the investigating agencies from Bihar or handing over photographs, etc. Perhaps they are waiting for the verdict of the Supreme Court. So let the Supreme Court decide. But basically, this is what the legal position is, and that if you have an FIR, you have to investigate.
What do you have to say about the ligature mark? Because ligature mark has to be oval shaped if one commits suicide. It's round shape. Is it possible, sir?
How can you have a round shape, sort of ligature for a body which is hanging? It will be in that direction.
That to diagonal, sir.
Yeah. But who told you that it's round?
We have seen the pictures.
You have seen the picture?
Yes.
It's difficult to explain.
After 45 years of public life, do you think that it is possible?
No, it's not possible. In fact, that is why inquest is mandatory, provided for in the CRPC. Now, if an inquest had been held, there would have been photographs. There would be photographs of the body hanging. There would be photographs of all the fingerprint marks, etc. The post-mortem has to be also done during daytime. Normally, that is the drill. I don't know when was the post-mortem done. Was it done at night? Generally, it's not done.
DG Bihar says that the Bihar police team is moving in auto. The basic facilities are also not being provided by Maharashtra police. It is against the federal structure of the country.
Normally, this is not done. Normally, cooperation is extended by the police of the relevant state. In this case, it is not being extended.
Had you been the Home Secretary of India, what action would you have taken, sir?
That's that is, the hypothetical question. But I feel that all public authorities have a duty, including the state government, have a duty to get a case investigated thoroughly, professionally, and in a time-bound manner, and in a fair and transparent manner. It's our duty cast upon us by law, and it's something which we owe to the people of India. That is something which needs to be done. For that, the family feels that nice of CBI investigations, the people of Bihar feel that. I believe that that's fine.
You hail from the same area from where Sushant Rajput hailed, originally from the Kosi belt. And do you think that you will fight for getting justice for him? And as all MPs are saying that the matter should be raised in the parliament, do you support this view?
You see, it's for the members of parliament to decide what they want to raise in the parliament or not. And the members of parliament from Bihar would no doubt be under pressure from their constituents to raise this issue. So they might well raise this issue. It depends on them, but they might well raise this issue. In fact, I believe that the possibility of a number of MPs or most MPs from Bihar raising this issue is very high.
Do you suspect that it's a murder or suicide?
See, I find it difficult to come to a conclusion, but I find it difficult to believe that a person like Sushant Singh Rajput, who is delivering hits after hits, is a very successful actor. I mean, he would get so depressed as to take his life. I haven't seen any sort of report of whether his treating physician was examined. I haven't seen that. Was he examined? Who examined him? So basically, there are only questions in this case and no answers. And answers require professional investigation, which has not happened. The Bihar police is doing some professional investigating work. But for 40-45 days, that did not happen. That is the question.